This is a 2015 911 GTS convertible with 2,894 miles. This car is absolutely perfect. There is not a mark, a scratch, a ding, a scuff on a wheel. There is nothing but brand new to this car. It even smells new on the inside. It's unbelievable how brand new this car is. Definitely garage kept and hardly driven. It's perfect. There's nothing. I'm not afraid to point out any scratches or marks or things in these videos that I make, but there is nothing to show you or tell you on this car because it's absolutely brand new. And what a deal, because I'm going to show you here in a second. Look at the back of that seat. There's not a mark on there. A lot of times these are painted, so they'll get chips on them from people climbing in the back seat. I don't think anybody's ever been in this back seat. And the best part for whoever gets this car is, I'll show you here in a second, it was $150, almost $2,000 new. And you're getting a car that is basically new still. I wish you could smell on this video because you would smell how brand new it smells. Look at this Burmester sound system. Look at this kick plate. Normally, even with a low mileage car, I mean, there's a couple little marks right there, I guess, but hardly. It's not all beat up from someone getting in. Look at the driver's seat. Perfect.
I held him at the 101.
$2,800 miles. Navigation, backup camera, parking sensors in the front and the back. All the buttons everybody likes. Sport exhaust. I'll show you here in a second. Let's take a look at the yellow sport chrono clock. Racing yellow, name of the color. Here is all of the options. Heated and cooled seats, dynamic lights, yellow dials and clock. The car's key is painted the color of the car. Unbelievable. Look at that Burmester audio. Typically that Burmester is somewhere around $6,000 option on these cars. Let's put the top down. This is cool. Power windscreen. Watch. Look at that. It's perfect. I don't need to show you all the wheels on this car because they are all just like that. They're all perfect. They don't have a mark on them. Floor mats are up here. Front license plate bracket if you dare to use it. It has both keys. I don't know if I already said that, but it does. There's not a chip on the front end. There's no damage on the bumper. Look at with the daytime lights. So cool. Alright, there's the windscreen. Now let's take a listen to how it sounds. So this is normal exhaust. Switch it. Sport exhaust. Yeah. Yeehaw. Much better sound. One more time outside the car. Normal. And sport. Wonderful. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Thanks for watching, and come see us here at Auto Assets.